Hello and welcome back to the workshop. Now if you guys are new to this channel, do join in with the banter in the comments below, and because I'm a small channel, chances are I'll probably be able to reply back to you, which just can't be said for all the channels that you visit. Anyway, welcome to my forge. Shall we have a look? So as you can see, I've set up this forge here, and I'm at the moment just figuring out what I'm going to do for extraction wise, and then that will be another video after. Over here I found a tabletop for free. I've also got for free some steel, because I work for an engineering workshop, so I got all the offcuts on that one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use those offcuts on my drawing table to then make myself a proper engineering-y table. Because what I didn't mention with that is it's got M8 threaded holes all over it, all equally spaced, so it's like a jig table basically. So that should make some other interesting videos, lots of jigs, yada yada. Anyway, let's get straight to it. Let's get welding some scrap together. Now I thought it would be interesting as well to do a slight review on my new TIG set. Now I got this off Amazon for 200 quid. And it's called Sun Gold Power, and it does apparently 200 amps, which is fantastic. And I've had a little play with it since, and I thought I'd show you guys my review of it. And as a very cheap inverter welder, it's doing really well. I've even opened it up and had a look inside and just inspected the quality, and yeah, it's okay. I don't really know what I'm looking at, but as far as I can tell, it's very well soldered. First thing to start with is everything for TIG needs to be super duper clean. So I'm just going to sand all the edges, and I'm going to take just the corners off all of the places that I'm going to weld approximately halfway on a 45-degree angle. So I don't know if you can see it all that well, but it's looking like a nice neat bead, and then I've got a slight bit of porosity at the end here, which is always a difficult thing with steels like this, because they're just impregnated with oil everywhere, and it can be quite difficult to keep them clean. However, I've learned one little trick, and that is if you use a little bit of stainless steel wire on mild steel, if you get little bits of porosity like this, somehow the stainless steel, the porosity, or what's in the porosity, gets attracted to the stainless and is somehow gone. Now I haven't cut through to have a look at why the porosity is there, or after this method whether it's still there underneath, but at least on the surface, if you're doing a quick repair, it looks absolutely fine. Turn my machine back on. There, hardly noticeable. Half a millimetre out. Not too bad. Right. So now I can stop using my drawing table as a weld table. And this can go neatly like so. I can do my bob impression.